rohi. Siis täna on 2018. 15 märts. Today is March of the 15th, 2018. Tallinna ringtee, Tallinna road, roundabout. Very much built here, left area. Contingents. Tallinnast, päris palju tuleb Pärnumaalt ja mõeldes, kes saada. Very good Pärnu road at Rio. Go to Tallinnat. And the Russian Tallinnast saab ka vähem läheb seda Soome otsa vähem. Traks, samad pikad. Jääbkin jah. Poolhaagidusega sadal veokid, ütleme siis Eesti keeles. Maardu poolt seda Paldiski poole ketšutud Iru Maardu said Paldiski. Paremat poolt küll küll. Kes see tahab, saab Tallinnast keerata, that way you can Tallinn back and go the other side. Kitsamaks parem mida saab ära. Keelest on 33 Paldiski 55. Keelest 33 Paldiskis 55. Jüri 6. Jüri smart car even. Yes. Very deep town. Quick. Is this back? Deep. Why? This is very nice. 25 km per hour. 70. Not that acceleration because here is trucks. Siis meil on alla nii kiiresti seda 30 pealt üles ja keerises teis on jõukad. Tehakse ka laiemaks. 22 rida pluss elatusriba. Make 2x2 and two line one side and two line other side, and middle is safety area, make like highway. Yes, and then you can in the summer 110 km per hour ride personal car. My truck only 90, that's maximum 50. Okay. Turn to the left side. Just oleme Jüriselt. Far to Jüri. 3 kilometers. Jah, see saab siis valmis praegu 2018 märts, nagu mõtlesin. Today is March of 2018. Saab valmis veebruar 2020 and that come already about March of 2020. That means 2 years they built. They started 1 year ago. This means all these 3 kilometers to build about 3 or even 4 years. Half is ready. Before next turnabout you see this Tally road, nearby Tally. Jüri kandis olema. Vahepeal see 80 kanna. Peale 70 peale. Siis tuleb ringi peale 50. So 90 km but now 70 and 50 km per hour limited. It's very dangerous. A little roundabout. Watch 2 or 3 times before you ride. traffic this year. Päris tihe liiklus tipptund, rush hour all the time. No, night time, day. Let's get paremale right, okay. Go to the U-turn and you go to the stop. Ja, zo'n zin, zo'n stap dus. Oké, dat is onze kaart. De K28. We gaan zoeken naar het internet. Nagu näetan, et siin see ongi juba suvel 110 ala. If you will see that this already, it was two is a narrow road, but this two lines for one side, defend area, safety area. In the summer you can ride here 110 km/h. And corporate scan to Sweden is 325. In the Baltic port you can ride to this corporate scan. In Sweden, Baltic is other port nearby Tallinn, it's about 49 kilometers to the port, 46 kilometers to the Baltic city. Saku Paris, Saustinõmme village. Narrow road in Estonia, user road. This was highway 19 kilometer. Is that road number 11? E165. Here on map. Tallinna ringtee ühendab siis Narva maanteed, Tartu maanteed, Pärnu maanteed, siis ka Paldiski maanteed lõpuks. This road, highway, connected at east Narva road, what coming to St. Petersburg too. Next is Tartu road. Go not only Tartu, but to Russia, to the Moscow side, Moscow, and Pärnu road. This to go to Riga, and of course Poland and Germany, Czech, and other situation too. And Paldiski road, this is local road. Tallinn and Muuga port and Paldiski port connected. Yes, you can by Paldiski and Pärnu road to the Haapsalu side to map. Through the Estonia transit routes. And this narrow road, this is usual highway. Ended now in the Kent highway, motorway, like Autobahn. Not Autobahn, but 4 lines plus exit line and enter line. Trucks, if you see many, even same number or more than personal bus transit, very big transit road of Estonia. Road cameras too. Not speed cameras, but road cameras. What condition, what weather, like that. Have something injuries or crashes like that. English would take it would be saab siit ka Saku on 2 teed. Saku is over, but we can turn back here. Saku is Saue. Järgmine on siis Saue 5 kilomeetrit. Keeras 11. Pärnu, Saue, Paldiski, Keila, of course, too. Pärnu Road. Direct don't get better. That was good before that. Tööstuspooled on asi tehtud, eks, plaanid. Ratas on alt ära tulnud, haagis on. Autol oli haagis, seal on ratas endil oli haagis. Ratas oli alt ära tulnud. And here's if you turn the right you could, but Pärnu and Haapsalu. If you go direct like I, next is Saue. Pärnu on 110, Haapsalu 18 has 10. Right, and to the direct is only 1 kilometer somewhere. 70 kilometer around here. And to left Jõgiso. Jõgiso village area, but in the right is Saue. 1 kilometer. Mis võtab üks maa. Jälle aga teid on mõjus. Direktist Keila. Kappelaskääre 320 train 10. Kappelaskääre 310. Keilasse 8. Paldiskis oli ka midagi. Kas on 28 siis? Ja 28 on Keilas. 29. 29 on see. Paldiski 29. Vanast oli siin politsei see keskus, nüüd on Keilasse viidud, aga kontrollid ikkagi kiirus just siin samas. Very dangerous place. Police control of course. Here. 17. Here 17 because it's village, Aila village. And it's next this narrow bridge over the railways, like a little hill, and if you go in the night it is, yes, this icy road in the night. kus kohas hakkab see piirus, kus ma võin seda gaasi vajutada. Tegelikult see märk, ehk märgi juures. Seda et sa pead sõitma, kui hiiluspidioga lõpumärk on, siis sa võid sõitma selle märgi nii 70 ka. Sul eelmine märk oli 70 ja ristmik vahel ei olnud. Ja siis alles vajutad gaasi. Ma saan aru küll, et sa seoda 150 meetri peast või isegi või jaotad 200-300 meetri peast 90. Vabandust väga, nii see on. Eestkõned. Samamoodi liiklus piiratud 70, siis sa vajutad enne, siis selle märgi juures oled, siis pead 70 sõitma või väiksem kiirus. I told it that if our speed limit area ended, then the begin of the ending of the speed limit is where is signal, traffic label or signal, not before even 1 meter. And if coming speed limit signal, then that begin where is this signal or label mark. You can there you must be like 70 kilometer or 50 what's this limit before, not 1 meter later, even 1 meter later. No, this can't make penalty for us. Oh, quite so. Paistab nüüd, kui näete seda kirikut, keelekirik. Teine on siis oma mobiilivast, the mobile tower and the other is Keila Church, the Church of Keila. Hiljem hakkab ka pidama, kuigi see maatee on siin ikkagi kiiruspiirang. 70, siis on 50. Siis highway